Hey, so if your Rakuten withdrawal isn't going through or it's stuck or failing, yeah, you're not alone. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix it step by step. First thing, make sure you've actually reached the minimum payout amount. Rakuten won't process withdrawals unless your balance meets their required threshold, which can vary depending on your region. Next, double check your payment method. So, whether it's PayPal or bank transfer, make sure your details are correct and fully verified. Even a small mismatch can cause delays or rejection. All right, this part's important. Your account needs to be fully verified. I mean, if Rakuten hasn't confirmed your identity or email, withdrawals can get blocked. Now, here's something a lot of people miss. Rakuten doesn't always send payments instantly. They usually follow a fixed payout schedule, like quarterly or monthly, depending on your account type. If everything looks fine so far, then check if your account has any policy issues. Yeah, things like invalid cashback activity or suspicious behavior can pause withdrawals. And if it's still not working, your best move is to contact Rakuten support directly. So just explain your issue, and they can check your account and fix anything on their end. So yeah, that's pretty much it. One of these steps usually fixes the problem. If this helped, feel free to check out more quick guides like this.